everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, this is another grocery haul. So I have actually been to Kohl's and Aldi today. These are giving me a headache. So I will show you what I got from each. It was $106 at Kohl's, which just breaks my heart because I was doing the flyby thing, how you have to spend $110 a week for 4 weeks. And you get like 10,000 points or money off a shop or something. And this was the last week and I didn't hit it. And it was so busy at the shops. I felt so awkward to go and run and grab something. So, oh my God, it hurts my heart. But anyway, so getting into it, I always find the angles so hard. So we have, I also thought I spent heaps as well. It's so frustrating. Celery. I haven't had that in ages, so I'm super excited. What is this? Baby cos lettuce. 4 zucchinis. 5 tomatoes. Oh, this is falling. A red onion. A pineapple. This wasn't on my list, but I saw it and I was like, let's get that. I'm excited. An avocado. Love avocado. I saw this. How good does this sound? Fruit and nut special K. So if you've tried this, let me know. I'm excited to try that. That is bag 1. Let's do this one. They had a deal on Kiwi Fruits. I think it was 5 for $3. So I picked up those. Heaps of bananas. I've actually just become obsessed with bananas. I never used to like them and now I honestly am so into it. And because it's like coming into summer, bananas like in smoothies and stuff. Oh my God, this hummus. I've never bought a hummus this big, but I've been craving like celery and hummus. So I thought, love that. And it's cheaper to get the bigger one. I haven't tried this brand, so I'm hoping it's good. Just the Kohl's brand chips, frozen chips. Kohl's brand light Greek yogurt. I thought that would be good with the special K. Vanilla ice cream. Carrots. I need to tell you what recipes I'm making this week. Okay, so I know you guys like to know what I'm making. So I'm making lentil dal, halloumi wraps, which I couldn't get the halloumi. Does anyone feel like the shops are a little bit bare at the moment? I don't know what's happening, but it just seems like food is low. I'm having sausages, salad, and garlic bread one night. A lentil pasta and zucchini and carrot fritters with salad and guacamole. And I'm also gonna make like a healthy apple crumble. So I got like tinned apples. I know it's probably not the best, but just because I'm lazy. And then you put like oats on top, so that should be good. Just the Kohl's brand wholemeal bread. I always get this one. Souvlaki bread for halloumi wraps. These are the sausages that I get, which are really good. I am vegetarian, if you're not aware, so I really like them. Oh my God, the rest of this bag can wait. It's really unhealthy, but I'm just gonna do this bag. It's so heavy. So I got Kohl's brand nut bars. These are great if you're just like running out the door. Pasta, this one was on sale, so grab that. Got the Kohl's brand laundry liquid. This is actually really good. I've tried this before and I do like it. As well as this is like for white, so I have white sheets, so I always use a white washing powder. So good. Almond milk, I really like this. And another brand I like, yeah, this one, the Vita Soy Almond Milky. Where's the camera? That is actually so good as well. Love that. Just if you're looking for almond milks, what am I doing? I got this, I'm obsessed, the Kohl's Mum's sauce. It is so tasty and actually really quite clean as well if you're like counting calories. Kohl's brand maple flavored syrup. I got this SodaStream Pepsi Max mix. This is actually half price at Kohl's. So I do have a SodaStream, so I thought, well, if I'm gonna buy syrup, now is the time. This is the apples I got. I got this one because the ingredients are 100% apple slices, where others had like a heap of preservatives, so I liked that idea. Okay. I love that I've gone from that to this bag. It's bad. So I got feta for the fritters, a Kit Kat dark chocolate, obsessed, Oreos. I haven't had these in so long, and they were $1. I got the Kohl's brand milk digestives and marshmallows because we've been doing like wood fire pizzas, so I want to try and make s'mores with those. I'm very excited. Some dog treats for my dogs, obviously. And then just the like rice crackers as well. From Aldi, so I picked up, this is so good, the classic glaze. I love this on the halloumi wraps, so good. And also a heap of these meal replacement shakes. So I got coffee, strawberry and chocolate. They are my favorite. So these are actually really good. I have lost weight on them. If you want to know more about these, definitely let me know. I can do a separate video or just tell you. But yeah, it's coming into summer and I'm craving like smoothies. I'm not really into eating when it's super hot. So these are just great to have in your cupboard, but they're also like, they do work in my opinion. So I got quite a few of those just to have them like stocked in my cupboard. And that is it. So I hope you enjoyed this week's grocery haul. If you did, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you want to see this again, of course. You seem to be enjoying them. And let me know your favorite thing that I've purchased. Or if you've tried one of the recipes that I have done one week. I would love to hear from you. And thank you again for watching. I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.